Hi, Miss Gemma. Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Gemma Fakura. I am 28 years old, married, with 2 kids, ages 2 and 10 years old boys.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Sulan, Sultan Kudarat.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 brother, 4 sisters. I am the 5th child in the family.
Please tell me about your educational background.
High school graduate.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, truthful, obedient, hardworking person, and God-fearing.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family financially and save money for my kids and their studies.
Who will take care of your children when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband or parents will take good care of my kids.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I have work experience here in the Philippines year 2016 until 2021 to a married couple with 2 kids ages 1 and 3 years old. My job duties are taking care of kids, marketing, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract for 5 years.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby will cry?
I will check the baby diaper is dirty. I will change it. I will check the baby if the baby angry, and I will feed the baby, and also I will check the baby temperature if the baby is sick, and I will inform my employers immediately.
What will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them by playing and sing a song for them.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I focus on my own work and my employer's need.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
Send financial support, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, or the helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and play as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing a nursery song.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little airplanes, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little airplanes, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little airplanes, 10 little airplanes.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation and surgery sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
I promise to finish my contract and I will stay as long as my employers needs me, ma'am.
Please give a message for your future employer to hire you.
Hi, ma'am and sir. My name is Gemma Fakura. Please choose me to be your housemate. I'm very much willing to work with your family. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, obedient. I promise to treat you and your kid as all my family. I'm very much willing to follow all your instructions. Please choose me and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.